Hello, this is Rhonda Gage's Colorful Creations. This is Crockpotapalooza. We're making a 17-minute Instapot beef stew. The host of this collaboration is Jessica My Rose and Small Town 6. Their links is in the description box, as well as the playlist where you can find other crockpot and Instapot recipes for fall.
Well, right now, but you got to cook it first.
I feel like I'm gonna get sick.
No, you won't get sick.
Yes, I will.
No, you won't. I promise.
Have you had it while you were a kid?
Yes.
I make it a lot.
How did you know how to make a kid? I mean, make it as a kid.
Grandma always throws a bunch of shit together and it turns out good.
Yep.
Ew.
Ooh.
Yeah, you just put meat in there. And
No, we're not done. That wasn't applesauce or apple juice.
apple juice and
That wasn't apple juice.
That wasn't apple juice.
and you put powder. Now you're putting all.
No, I'm not putting all the pepper in there. I'm just going to put a little bit of pepper in there.
You could just use the lid though.
I don't like how slow it comes out of the lid.
Well, it doesn't matter still, but you're wasting.
No.
We're gonna eat it.
Yeah.
And this is garlic powder.
Garlic powder.
Yep.
Oh. I'm not liking this very soon.
That was beef broth, not apple juice. That was beef broth.
Oh, it smells
Okay, Ava, take this. Dump it in there.
Ew. I don't like tomatoes.
That's not tomatoes.
What is it?
Potatoes. I don't like tomatoes either. Tomatoes are nasty.
I don't like potatoes.
You do too like potatoes.
No, I don't.
I know you like potatoes because
No,
I've seen
I
you
don't.
eat them before.
French
Yeah.
fries. That's made from potatoes.
Yeah, and now I don't like it. Is that candy?
No. Oops. See this? Orange things?
Yeah.
That's carrots. The yellow things are corn. And the green things are green beans.
Well, hell, I could have dug in his freezer. Found out he had beef stew.
If I don't like
Okay, you
it,
need to start getting down off of your chair.
We need to add a little bit more water to this or no?
Nope.
Okay.
do you want me to move this
Where's
thing?
that plate that Grandma had with the potatoes on it?
Over here still.
Okay, we're going to set that right there.
Put the lid on.
And then we're going to whoa. And then we're going to put the lid on it.
Don't wander off yet.
I'm having issues with it. There we go. Can I get the lid on it? The lid is outsmarting me here.
Okay. Look at the lid.
Yeah, no, that's what I was doing.
This part should go over here.
Okay.
Ava, come back over here. You need to find the one that says meat with a line and then stew. MEAT with a line STEW.
Use this?
Yep.
This?
Nope.
Yep. There you go. Now, Thai seeds melting off of it.
Let it cool down a little bit more. But
Can I
Yeah, there's not much
make
I
a
can
ducky? Can I make a ducky?
How about you decorate the cake? Or the cupcake? No, because it's not even plugged in. Sure.
But it didn't need to be plugged in.
Yeah, it needs to be plugged in so it'll heat up. There you go. Go decorate.
I'm gonna make green from Rainbow Friends. Green has these googly eyes. I know it because he's blind. You can't be blind. I know you can be blind by your eyes, but I noticed he had googly eyes because his eyes were like circling around. I'm actually gonna make green.
Got plastic around it too. Here.
Wait, do you know how to open plastic?
Yeah. Take this part completely off. And there, it's starting to open plastic.
I'm already struggling.
So careful so you don't spill it everywhere. You don't want it to go into the cake. You're going to decorate the cake, so lick it. And then put that one on here too, so that if they drop on the tray.
Can you open this? Can I eat one of these?
Well, I guess you have to sample them, don't you?
I'm gonna make green from Rainbow Friends. Like you turned into a cupcake. Green. I'm sorry, Green, for making you this.
She was cleaning her room so you could give her another one.
okay.
So I need to go check on that because you didn't see it before.
No.
She had the vacuum going and then Echo took it.
Oh.
It's better than it was, but she still get her like.
Okay.
I'm gonna have green bones everywhere. Ew.
The spider right there.
Ew.
Hear me?
Yeah.
Look at green bones. Oh. Yeah, green turned into a cupcake.
Now, can I show you something?
Yeah.
Turn it, and then you can get the other side.
How can you get it? How can you get the cupcake whole entire green? So it'd be green from Rainbow Friends.
Well, then we should have put dye in the frosting.
Oh my. That would make green. How about greens?
You got boos. They said boo.
That's perfect. I can make the blues all over them.
But there's orange and purple.
Orange and purple. That's in Rainbow Friends too.
Well, have fun decorating it.
You actually just. You should have thought putting green dye in it because you knew I was making green from Rainbow Friends.
I didn't know. I'm not a mind reader.
Wait, you didn't remember today? I told you at the start of the day I wanted to make green from Rainbow Friends.
No.
Oh.
Grandma was like way late taking her meds today. And then Grandma also had the cinnamon roll, and then Grandma snapped on your candy.
Well, green almost lost its color, but At least he still has his color. It actually just looks like green. That was making. That was just making me think that green's actually dead.
And you're putting eyes on the other side too?
Yeah.
You can turn it.
You can put eyes, but green has googly eyes. Only 2. Oh yeah, there's his soul's coming out of him. And green.
Just to finish this first.
Green lost his own mind. And green lost his soul. And then, there you go. Green.
And that's all you're doing to it?
I'm actually just going to put bugs all over it.
You got these bugs too.
Pumpkins on the top and the bottom. Just put a pumpkin right here so it looks like the green's actually dead.
Are you done?
Baby Yoda. No, he didn't put the stuff on it.
So we can close these up now?
You can close that one up. I'm not done with this. I need to take a couple bones. I actually never even put a black one on there. So. There we go. Okay, you can close them now. I'm done grabbing some. Green has bones sticking out of him. Oh yeah, that's gonna look real perfect. That bone actually, that green just actually just lost his soul. It's actually gonna. Does that look perfect? Like, look at it!